Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Julie and I make content about mental health, makeup, as well as music, and today I am giving you a talk through makeup tutorial. So here it is. First off, I'm going to prime my eyes, as I always do, with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, as well as my Real Technique sponge. I'm taking the shade Root Canal on this fluffy blending brush that also works fairly well as a packing brush. I'm going to pick up some of that product and place it right on my eyelid to start, and just start with packing motions. And as I'm packing, I'm going to get up a little bit higher as I go, layer by layer, until I finally get up a little bit higher where I start blending up higher and higher as I go, slowly packing on more and more layers to get a really smoky, blown out look. After I'm satisfied with the blending, I went in with my trusty Sigma E40 to blend out what I did. Now I'm going back in with that fluffy blending brush just because we lost some of the pigment from the purple from blending a little too much, which is totally fine. And of course, I'm going in with my Sigma E40 again just to blend out what I did. Now I'm using a much smaller blending brush with the shade Coma, which is the darker purple shade in the palette, and I'm packing that into my outer corner, and then I'm also blending it across the top of my lid just to give this look more dimension and a smoky emo effect. Going back in with that blending brush that I used to apply the lighter purple just to blend out everything I did so we don't have any harsh lines and it's nice and seamless but still smoky. If you don't know what I'm doing right now, then you haven't been paying attention. I'm blending everything out. I cleaned up my eyeshadow and did my falsies off camera. So now it's time for me to apply my primer, which I'm slathering on here in a good amount. Now I'm putting black in my waterline because what is an emo look if I don't have a black eye pencil in my waterline? This is where the hot emo look becomes a hot emo summer look because I am not using foundation here, my friends. I am using tinted moisturizer so that my skin gets a nice dewy effect, and I'm just blending that into my face to my best ability with my Real Technique sponge. If you haven't seen me do this before, you must be new here, but I am applying my concealer. I use the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Beige, and it is a very full coverage thick concealer, which is why I didn't put that much and concentrated most of it under my eyes just to brighten them. Now I'm using a flat eye definer brush with that darker purple, the shade Coma, and I'm going to put that right underneath my black waterline eyeliner just so that I get the dark color concentrated very close to my eye because I'm going to go in with that lighter purple underneath. Using a small blending brush, I'm going to go in with that lighter purple I used before and just blend out everything I did. But I also want to make sure I'm packing it down somewhat so that you can see the color and the contrast between the lighter and darker purples on my lower lash line. Take a wild guess what I'm doing right now. I know, I'm being sassy, but I'm blending everything out, okay? I'm using the ColourPop Flexitarian highlighter in my inner corners. And now I'm using my Real Technique sponge to blend out everything I did on my lower lash line. Next, I'm contouring with the NYX Sweet Cheeks blush in the shade Taupe with my Sigma F40 brush, and just doing my best to blend that out and not make it too harsh looking. I'm cleaning up my contour with my Real Techniques sponge. Now I'm going to do my highlight with that same ColourPop Flexitarian highlighter. I'm going to use this with my finger to highlight my cheekbones, above my eyebrows, as well as the tip and top of my nose. I like this highlighter for a summer look because it is dewy and not too chalky, especially when you use your finger. The star of the show is my Revlon lipstick in Black Cherry, which has been well loved. Currently, I am working with a NYX lip liner that is similar in shade to that Black Cherry lipstick, just getting my lips prepared for the lipstick that is about to come. I chose this lipstick for a summer emo look because it is vampy. However, it is not a matte liquid lipstick, so it's not super drying. It will transfer, yes, but it is gorgeous, it is worth it, and you will be able to work around it, I assure you. Ta-da! This is the finished look. I had some trouble with the lipstick at the end because it's on my teeth. It's hard to get precise. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. You can follow all my social medias down below. My Instagram's Julie_counseling. My coaching Instagram's Julie_coaching. My Twitter is JulieCounseling with no underscore. That is where I'm the most active. And my Facebook page will be linked down below in the description as well. And I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye, guys.